I'm so lucky because my dad is rich. Yes, you can. It's electric. No.
Bye. Bye, you guys.
Bye, Mia. Bye.
Oh my god, that's so loud. Come on. Oh, the alarm went off.
Daddy, look.
What?
Ellie's birthday today.
Oh, Ella's birthday today? Did you have like cupcakes and stuff?
Yes.
Oh.
I eat chocolate.
Nice.
I don't love school.
Are you sure about that?
I want to go.
Yeah, I know you like school. Are you happy? Sophie said she missed you.
Yes. Bye, Sophie. Daddy,
Yeah.
well, I have the test. Sophie will help me at the test.
Oh wow. Okay.
Sir, can you put me in the front, please?
Okay.
It's been winning
Why?
because he driving so fast.
That's why these are bumps, Naya. So people cannot drive so fast. Like this one right here is a bump. So that people don't drive so fast, especially in a parking lot.
He drives like this, like that.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The baby said that. So
Oh my God.
you funny. Best day ever.
Yeah, kasi naka-McDonald's man.
I got McDonald's. Look, you guys, I'm McDonald's. I'm so lucky because my dad is rich.
Rich in blessings. Come on.
I need to hold every stuff. I'm so sorry, Mom. I forgot you.
Cause
Can you send me to my mom?
yeah, so mommy can see that you're cleaning up. Cleaning up.
I'm finishing it. Sorry. Akka! Zero.
Sige na.
What silong na ya?
Downstairs.
Ko!
Agpas.
Hurry up!
Panlimpyo. How about panlimpyo?